Thank you for watching. Thank you for the likes. Hi, my team. Alam mo na yan. Gusto mo. Alam mo na yan. Alam mo na yan. How do we live without you, baby? 'Cause how do we live without you? 'Cause if you never come, how do I ever? Water pupils. Alam mo na yun. Anong pakialam ko din sa bako mo kung anong gusto mo. Alam mo na yan. How do we live without you? How do we live without you, baby? Gusto mo, alam mo na yan. Ano pakialam ko din sa gusto mo. Alam mo na yan. Let's try. Guys, thank you for watching. Kailan mo dati mo pag-ibig wala pakialam, mamahalin kita sino ka, mahal kita pagkat mahal kita. Inisip mo na ay hindi mahalaga, mahal kita. Thank you for 5 people here. Thank you so much. 5 people in the house, in the house, in the house. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Alam mo na yan. Alam ko din gusto mo. How do we live without you? How do we live without you, baby? How do we live without you? 'Cause you never got. Thank you for 6 people here. Thank you so much. How do we live without you? How do we live without you, baby? 'Cause you never got. Guys, talk or go. They're just watching. How do we live without you? Hoy, Toren! Magsudlay ka. Sos, nasasanay ka na din nagsusudlay. Magsudlay ka. Ay, masulay! Oh my God.
Nana. Nana.
Say hi. Say hi ka na. Siya na matulong. Sumagay yung ano. Sumagay yun. Say hi, say hi. Always, Ashley, go home. She's going to school.
Grapes. Grapes.
Come on. Baon mo. Kato na. Do I ever Welcome. Linda. Eduardo Lemos. Hi. Hola do Brazil. Hi from Brazil. Welcome to me here. I'm from Philippines. Filipina. How do I live with that? Thank you for the likes. Busi Mueto Linda. What it means? Mueto. How do we live? Thank you for the heart. Thank you sa nag-heart. Thank you for watching. I don't live without you, baby. I don't live without you, 'cause you never got me. How do I ever survive? I think Mini Beauty. Greetings from Istanbul. Hi, Aaron's Cooker from Istanbul. Hello. I miss you, Istanbul. I miss you, Cabello. What means I miss you? I miss you. Hi, Aaron Cooker from Istanbul. How are you? I'm fine. How about you? I'm fine too, thanks. Welcome. I don't believe without you, baby. I don't live without you. Cause you hope. How is your day going? Going. I just finished clean and breakfast. After the live, I'm going to work. I do work for the like. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for liking. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. How do I live without you? How do I live without you, baby? See you, Peter. Você namon, você asita. What it means. I don't live without you, baby. Cause you never. Thank you for the likes. Sparky me, affectionate, tells you, Chito. Huh? Thank you for the likes, everyone here. Thank you so much. Choleng! Hi, Babang! Bye-bye! Bye! Love you! Binudlayan na. Bye, Choleng! Eduardo English. Thank you for the likes. I don't live without you. Okay. Okay. Thank you for the 10 people here. Thank you so much. Your Josh vlog. Matulis talaga, doll. Matulis. Ang alin. Nash English. I don't live without you, baby. Josh. Hi, Josh. Can you speak English? Thank you. 16 million here now. You are very beautiful. I love your style and your hair. I would like to date you. Eduardo. Without you, baby, 'cause you never come. How do I ever survive? How do I, how do I, how do I live without you? And you would look even more beautiful in a sport club. Do recipe shirt. Recipe. Tell me what you got. How do I live without you, baby? Thank you for the likes. 8 people here. Who are you? Hari kaching 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 kaching. Hari la pa 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 pa. Hintay. How do I send you this Spark Love recipe shirt? I don't know. I have no idea about that. Hello, I'm from Indonesia and I've subscribed and like. Thank you. Thank you, Epso. Thank you so much for watching from Indonesia. Thank you, 7 people likes. Parang ulan. Parang may bagyo. May bagyong darating. Sana hindi sa Pasko. Sana ngayong Pasko ay maalala mo pa rin ako. Hinahanap-hanap pag-ibig. I'm from Rizvi, which in the northeast of Rizal. Okay. Recipe. Recipe. Mm. you have your WhatsApp? No, I have no WhatsApp. No WhatsApp, right? No WhatsApp. No WhatsApp. How do I live without you, baby? How do I live? Hello, Chicken Dom. Chicken Dom, hello. Hello, good. Hello, good. Eduardo, you should ask her if she is single first. I don't want to live without you, baby. How do I live? I'm not single. Baby, you would take away everything you need in my life. Until me now, how do I live without you, baby? Thank you for the likes. I think the cyclone is coming. Having an unexpected cyclone here, but I think the rain is hitting today. Oh my god. My god. Without you, baby. I don't believe without you, baby. Oh, why is God home? God home? God? Gab is in school. Gab, she's in school now. The copying, my father is copying, not Gab.
Ricardo Calvanto Cruz. Hi. Oh. Thank you for someone, to those someone who's sending the hearts. Thank you for the heart. I'm losing my meaning. There goes my just to be with you, to something to see, 'cause you are the reason. God was my Hey, get ready for work, yeah. Ready for work. Need to get ready. Okay, bye. Bye bye. Thank you so much for joining here, everyone here. Love you all. Thank you so much. Hope you join again next live. Thank you so much. I love you all. Bye bye.